Just got this PlayStation 5 with the screws on the outside. I open it up. He didn't even clean the fan. It smells like I move that to the side and boom, capacitors everywhere. What the hell is this? What are you sending me, man? I have a feeling this thing doesn't power on. Let's power. Let's try again. This thing was out of whack. It powers on. Nice. Okay. Alright, it did go to the white light here, so let's take it apart, clean it up, and fix that HDMI port. And yes, of course, I'm gonna clean it up before. And look at this over here. He tried to fix it himself. More damage. Yup, and a liquid metal disaster here as well. I'm telling you, PlayStation 5 repairs are not DIY at all. At all. Even a simple HDMI port is not DIY. While I'm working on the HDMI port, I gotta fix a capacitor on the side here. There's like at least 3 capacitors I gotta put on. Alright, so I removed that mangled up port off, so let's clean this up and put a new HDMI port. The port is installed, and under the microscope here, everything is fresh. So all we have to do is fix that liquid and get him some capacitors. And that damn fan connector is also kind of wonky. Donor board check, let's take these 2 out. Alright, I got them installed here. These never come out pretty because they blow in your face, so I gotta use some funny methods. But we got it, so let's put this thing. I'm not touching the fan connector, it is actually connected. It's a little bit loose, but it would work. We just need to fix this garbage. Alright, I got that liquid metal looking a little bit better. Alright, I put enough of it together here just to test. Let's see. Still powers on, the fan spins. I did vacuum this fan, and that stuff is just stuck on. It's that nasty. But yeah, let's see if we got something on the screen here. Yep, we got it. Nice.